In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, you need to pinch your display until all of those options show. When they do, tap on Home Screen Settings at the bottom right corner. Then scroll to click on Icon Size and operate this slider to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back and check it out. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!